When you're working with fractions, not only is it important to know how to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, but you may occasionally need to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's say you have 14 thirds. We know that 14 thirds is an improper fraction because the numerator, or the number on top, is greater than the denominator, the number on the bottom. This also means that our fraction is greater than 1. Now, a lot of times we want to change our improper fractions into mixed numbers because we don't go around saying, oh, I'm going to use 14 thirds of a cup of sugar for this recipe. You want to say how many whole cups and then what fractional part. So, what you first want to do is you want to see how many thirds we can pull out of 14 thirds. One way that you can do this is by doing 14 divided by 3, or thinking to yourself, how many times does 3 go into 14 without going over? I think, because I know my facts, that 3 goes into 14 at least 4 times. So 4 wholes would look something like this: 3 thirds, 3 thirds, 3 thirds, and 3 thirds. Each of the 3 thirds represents one of the wholes. So when I look at all of these 3 thirds that I'm taking out of my 14 thirds to make this whole number of 4, I see that there are 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 thirds that I'm taking out of 14 thirds to get my 4. And that adds up to 12 thirds. So this 4 represents 12 thirds. So I'm going to subtract 12 from 14 to find out how many thirds I have left after I change all of my groups of 3 thirds into a whole number, 4. So I know that this 4 makes up for 12 of the 14 thirds. So how many thirds do I have left? Well, I have 2 thirds left because 14 minus 12 is 2. So now I can tell that 14 thirds is the same as 4 and 2 thirds. Really, it would make a lot more sense to say that you needed 4 and 2 thirds of a cup of sugar than to say you needed 14 thirds. So you'll be seeing this in a lot of problems.